Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today video title is guys touch sound how to use in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to use your touch sound and once you don't know how to turn on touch sound and how to use it in Tecno mobile. So today friends I will show you guys how to on and use touch sound in Tecno phone. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on your touch sound. So guys we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno mobile. So how to on touch sound. So guys we will click here direct guys search bar touch sound. Guys we will on. So guys you can see touch vibration sound, and guys you can see touch sound. So guys click on touch sound. Guys you can see touch sound direct guys we will on from here. First of all, after on guys how to use it. So friends you can see when we will click on any button, and guys when you will click on any icon, example setting, and guys when we will on any phone setting. So guys we can use guys the touch sound guy when we will tap on button and screen any icon. So guys you can use the touch sound setting in your Tecno mobile. So like that guys we can use touch sound. So I hope friends you understood how to use touch sound and how to on. And guys now you want to turn off. So guys how to off from phone setting. Now I will show you. Open your phone setting and guys click on sound and vibration setting, and guys scroll it. As you can see touch sound setting is here. Friends you don't want to use, you can turn off from here, and you can all you want to use guys. So friends you can see I will off. After of guys I can use my phone without any touch sound, any beep sound. As you can see touch sound will not work. So like that guys we can on and off touch sound, and we can use in Tecno mobile touch sound like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Technophone settings? So you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching the video guys.